Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary Cabaltera and I'm here to present how to assemble and disassemble a computer case. Now let's proceed. computer case, first, you install back the motherboard. Place it on the standoffs and securely screw it. Next, place the CMOS battery back to its CMOS slot. Next, insert the CPU. Gently place it into the socket and lock it. Next is to add the CPU cooler. Mount it on the top of the CPU and connect its power cable. Next is to install the RAM. Insert memory sticks into the RAM slots until they clicked. Next is to add the power supply. Fit it in its slot and screw it tightly. Next is to connect its cables. Attach power connectors to motherboard, CPU, and storage. Next is to install storage. Mount each DD in their base and connect the data or power cables. And lastly is to close the case. Put back the side panel and secure it by screws. In assembling and disassembling a system unit, here are the tips that should be noted. First is to always wear an anti-static wrist strap. Then make sure it fits perfectly into your hands. Trust me, it's not that easy to hold something small like screws if you use big gloves. Next is to keep cables tidy for better airflow and easier maintenance. So I guess next time one should really prepare a ziplock or anything that is safe to use in tying those cables together. And lastly is to double check all connections before powering it on. And that will be all. Thank you.